To a pot on medium, I'm going to go in with some garlic infused coconut oil from CGA. Next, go in with some chopped onions, some hot peppers or pimento peppers or both, and saute until the onions are translucent. Chopped or minced garlic. Saute until the onions and the garlic are light brown in color. So you see that brown, nice color that it has? That's what you want. Add chopped tomatoes and some salt to taste. Mix and allow the tomatoes to break down. Next, go in with your chopped baigan or melon. Mix. Cover and allow this to cook on medium-low heat until the baigan or melon has softened up.